Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so I want to show you I want to teach you a very nice gospel movement that professional guys do use. I've been the key of F sharp. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button now. Kudos to us as we celebrate 44,000 subscribers as at the time of making this video. Let's subscribe and reach 100k, guys. God bless you. Okay, so this movement goes like this. It's a very nice movement for going from your 1 to your 5. So maybe like a song goes to your 1, then the next chord is 5. You can always do this movement. So we'll do a very simple song. The song goes I have a God who never fails. That's 1 1 1 3 3 2 1, then to your 7. That's the melody of the song. So the chords are I have a God 1. So that's it. So that's your 1 chord who never fail. I have a God. Right. So, but we're gonna do something like this now. Let's do something. I'm gonna teach you this. So let me show you what I want to teach you. What I want to teach you, right? So we have a I have a God who never fails. So it goes like this. I have a God. So you do I have a God. Why? So you solve that. Okay, so I'm going to teach you that now. I'm going to teach you that movement. Body love. Who never fail. Alright. So I'm going to show you that now. But before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you are missing a lot. It is official. But there are many of you who are just watching this for the very first time. Maybe you are just seeing my video for the very first time. You say, what is the intermediate piano course? It's on the screen. It's actually a course that has been pre-recorded. I pre-recorded all those topics. Imagine learning all those topics in a video that is over 2 hours. So the price is 7,500 naira, like it is on the flyer as of now for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people abroad. The price might go up very soon because the value is way more than the price. So if you want to get your copy, my WhatsApp contact is on the homepage of the channel. The link to get it is also in the description. But in case the link doesn't work, because as at the time of doing this video, the link is not working for some countries, try it. If it doesn't work, make sure you contact me on WhatsApp. My contact is on the homepage of this channel. Don't forget. Yeah, don't rob yourself. Make sure you get that. God bless you. Okay, so let's learn. So the movement simply goes like this. I already taught you the movement, the main chord. My God will never fails. So now the movement goes like this. From the 1 chord, I have a God. Then you do 6. You run your 6. Sorry, you run your 6 all the way to your flat 5. But when you get there, you now hold a diton, which is your flat 5 and then your flattened 7th on a quarter voicing, which is also 3, 6, and 2, or 3, 6, and 9, depending on how you want to call it, because you already have a 7th on the left hand. So you do 6 all the way to flat 5. So you have a flat 5 on your left, and then your flattened 7th. Then on your right, you hold your 3, which is, in the case of F sharp, that is B flat, A flat, sorry, B flat, E flat, and A flat. So that's the first move. Then the second move is this chord on 1. So we are coming back to 1 as if we left 1. We didn't leave 1. So we just instead of doing something like that or doing something like that, some of this movement, instead of doing that, this time we are doing it. All I showed the other time was to get to 5. That's why you need to get my intermediate piano course. All right, so to learn a lot. So after so on the 1, never, right? I knew it was a sang of key. All right, so on 1 we have a F sharp, C sharp, and then E. On the right, we have a B flat, E flat and F sharp. Why do you keep looking like one yourself? You this key. So B flat, E flat, and F sharp on the right. Sorry for the name calling. Then to your 5. So you do something like this. So your 5, you hold your F on the left and C sharp. On the right, you have A flat, C sharp, A flat. Then together on the left and right, you do 5 to 6, flat 5 to 5. One more time, 5 to 6, flat 5 to 5. So, and then you do, oh my God. Oh. So that's a movement. An open movement. I'm sure I've taught that before on this channel. What? Right? For forever. Ba 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 ba. You need to get my intermediate piano course now. God bless you. Bye.